Hi guys, and welcome to my kitchen. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make popcorn. Okay, so for this recipe you're going to be wanting to use a non-stick pot, right? And you are going to put enough oil so that it covers the base of the pot fairly generously, I would say. So in goes the oil, and I'm going to swirl it, and you can see it covers the base of the pot with about, I don't know, I'd say about a tablespoon of oil, or perhaps just 2 teaspoons, right, to spare. Right, so that is enough oil, and now we're going to throw in our kernels. Now you're going to put enough kernels just to cover the base of the pot. So you're going to give it a bit of a shake. Okay, perhaps a few more. Right, and that's about enough. Okay, and then you turn on the heat, seal your pot, and you're gonna wait for the popping to start. So when it starts popping so vigorously, the trick is to give it a shake. Okay, and giving it a shake enables, giving it a shake prevents the bottom kernels from burning. Right, so we just shake it, and we leave it, and we shake it, and we leave it until the popping starts slowing down. And I also shake it like this so that the kernels, the ones that haven't popped, can fall to the bottom. Can you hear that the popping has now slowed down? So we turn off the heat and give it one last shake. All the unpopped kernels to fall to the bottom, and we wait for the popping to stop. So this technique allows for no popcorn to be burnt and ensures that 99% of the kernels are popped.